Specialty concrete contractors handle everything from decorative concrete finishes to reinforcement placement, making your concrete project look great and last long. So, when you're dealing with specialty concrete contractors, here's the deal. They're the pros who do all the tricky parts, like laying down decorative concrete finishes that make your floors or patios pop. They handle concrete pumping, which is all about getting that wet concrete exactly where it needs to go without a mess. Then there's formwork installation, which sounds fancy but just means they set up the molds to shape your concrete. Reinforcement placement is key too because it's what keeps your concrete strong with steel bars or mesh inside. After pouring, proper concrete curing is crucial. This is all about keeping the concrete moist so it hardens right and doesn't crack or weaken. If you want your driveway or slab to last, these steps can't be skipped or rushed. You can totally trust these contractors to manage the timing and techniques for curing, so your concrete doesn't end up weak or ugly. Plus, they know how to work with different mixes depending on your project, whether it's a sidewalk or a fancy stamped patio. One of the biggest screw-ups in specialty concrete work is poor curing, which often leads to cracks and weak spots. And fix this by keeping the concrete moist for at least 7 days after pouring. Another common mistake is not placing reinforcement correctly, which can cause structural failure. The fix is using the right size and spacing of steel bars and making sure they stay positioned while pouring. Lastly, bad formwork installation messes with the shape and stability of your concrete. Avoid this by double-checking that your forms are sturdy, properly aligned, and sealed against leaks before pouring starts. BigHomeProjects.com is like a hookup service for homeowners and contractors, helping folks find trusted local pros who know their stuff. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people looking for specialty concrete services and more.